Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Muscletech Fat Burner. These powerful supplements are designed to support your weight loss journey by boosting metabolism and increasing energy levels. They often contain key ingredients like caffeine and green coffee extract, which work together to enhance your focus and help you power through intense workouts. Understanding how to properly use them is crucial for achieving the best results safely. To begin, always assess your tolerance by starting with 1 capsule once daily for the first couple of days. If you feel comfortable, you can gradually increase your intake to 2 capsules, taken twice daily. It's best to take each serving about 30 to 60 minutes before your 2 main meals, like breakfast and lunch. Remember, never exceed 4 capsules within a 24-hour period to ensure safety and effectiveness. When using a Muscletech Fat Burner, it's important to keep a few things in mind. Due to the caffeine content, avoid taking it within 5 hours of bedtime to prevent sleep disruption. Staying well hydrated is also key, so aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water throughout your day. For optimal results, always combine this supplement with a balanced, calorie-reduced diet and a consistent exercise program. To truly maximize your results, consider cycling the supplement by using it for 60 days, then taking a 2-week break to reset your body's tolerance. Always consult a medical doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. And hey, while you're optimizing your routine, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.